That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Tuhod, siko, baywa, aray! Pag laging pasan ang sakit sa kasukasuan, sign na yan ng arthritis o joint deterioration. Karaniwan kapag nagkakaedad na, kailangan ng tibay at ginhawang makakapitan. Kaya ng artrisin yan. May undenatured type 2 collagen at methylsulfonyl methane na maaaring makatulong protektahan ang kalusugan ng kasukasuan. Make the right move. Uminom ng artrisin araw-araw. Mabibili ang artrisin sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang artrisin ay hindi gamot at hindi maaaring gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alpha, beta, gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3,
Capsule, coffee and tea.
with MX3,
It's for you and me.
with MX3, dito ako bilib.
Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. MX3 Capsule. Dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako po si Angelica. May bukol po ako sa tuhod, kaya hirap po talaga ako maglakad. Nag-take ako ng Santon Plus araw-araw at isang buwan lang. Palit ng palit ang bukol ko. Epektibo talaga ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
From the world stage to home, Jessica Sanchez is coming to Manila.
This beautiful things that I've got.
Catch her live on May 16 at the Araneta Coliseum for her much-awaited homecoming concert, together with her all-star special guests: Gary Valenciano, Regine Velasquez, Martin Rivera, Darren Espanto, Morissette, and James Reid. This is a night you shouldn't miss. Book your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Jessica Sanchez, live in Manila, presented by Wilbros Live.
Catch Jessica Sanchez's much-awaited return to the Philippines at her homecoming concert happening on Saturday, May 16, 2026 at the Araneta Coliseum. Sharing the stage with Jessica Sanchez as her very special guests are Gary Valenciano, Regine Velasquez, Martin Rivera, Darren Espanto, Morissette, and James Reid. Get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Presented by Wilbros Live.
Ito na po yung hiniram kong pera, tulad ng petsang napagkasunduan.
Ay, sana lahat ng umuutang gaya mo. Tumutupad sa usapan at mayroon isang salita.
Ganyan ang Pinoy!
Ang Pilipino may isang salita.
Isang paalala mula sa MX3, naniniwalang mabuti ang Pinoy.
MX3. Dito ako bilib. DCXL News. Ang himpilan ng RM.